good day everyone. Welcome back to Bernard Business Consulting YouTube channel. I'm Jessin. Today, in this episode, I'll be sharing with you Bernard Business Consulting's 3 transformational steps to help your company transform into a sustainable business model. So, I will be recreating the content in English because I've talked about this in our previous LinkedIn Live Mandarin session, and I feel like this topic is very relevant to our English audience as well. The steps are easy, simple, and achievable to help your company achieve a higher ESG performance. So, the step 1 is to gain clarity. Identify the gaps and areas that need improvement for a better ESG and sustainability practices. And why is this step important? Because you need to first understand where you are to start it right. You wouldn't want to spend money, resources to start everything all over again. And how to gain clarity? The first thing is to understand what is ESG and sustainability and how it is applicable to your organization. So how you can achieve this? You can attend trainings, workshops conducted by experienced engineers, consultants, or trainers to understand where you are heading to. It's important to attend reputable trainings by those sustainability practitioners. It's because they have made mistakes for you and they know what worked the best for your unique organization. You can get inspirations from the trainers and find ways to adopt it to your organization. Another way is to focus on ESG reporting. So, first, to understand what is your baseline ESG performance. This is very important because you cannot manage what you don't measure. So, the stage of gaining the clarity will take around 1 to 2 months. ESG is considered quite new to the Malaysian companies. When we talk to our clients, oftentimes we find that they know that they need to do ESG because maybe of some external factors or pressures from their customers, from the governments, but they don't even understand what is ESG and they rush to implement it. So we tell them that this is not a sustainable way. If you do not know what you are doing, how can you sustain the ESG initiatives in the long run? Hence, based on our experience, the first step to be more sustainable is actually to gain the knowledge, inspirations from attending trainings and workshops, because through workshop, you actually have some hands-on experience to apply the knowledge into your unique organization. So that's for the first step, which is to gain clarity. And I'll see you in the next episode, which I'll be talking about the second step. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!